haven't connected with your iPad. So 5 things you have to keep in mind. First one, you need to turn on the internet connection, either cellular data or Wi-Fi. Second, make sure you turn on the Bluetooth. Third, head to settings, click the search bar and just type keychain. Open this and make sure it's turned on. And third, swipe down a while, scroll down a while, and privacy and security, location services, make sure it's turned on, location services, then open Find My. Here it need to select while using the app. Then fifth and final, share my location, find my iPad. It need to turned on. So these are the 5 steps. You need to done this before you try to connect your AirTag with your iPad. So turn on these 5 steps and close the screen, on the screen, unlock the password, then just move it to here, then you can see the connect option. That's it. And if you want to know more videos about AirTag, you need to watch this playlist.